Welcome and thank you very much for playing my video, guys. So in this video you will learn about how to install Anaconda and Spider. So just type in Anaconda for Python and click on the very first page, very first hyperlink says individual edition. Just click on that and then scroll down and click on download. As soon as you click on download, it will take you to the bottom. Now you need to find out whether your OS is Windows, Mac or Linux. So mine one is Windows. Now I need to find out whether my system is of 64-bit or 32-bit. So let's check out the operating system. So just right click on the start button and then you need to click on system. Just click on that. Here you go, you have your system type 64-bit. So I will click on 64-bit. So always check that. So you will see that the downloads download is in progress on the bottom left. So that depends on the speed of your machine. Maybe your machine can take more time than mine. Click on open when done, or you can go to the downloads and double click on it. Just double click on it and it will start to execute. Now to install, click on next and click on I agree. Next. Let's go back and see what did I miss. Okay, here it is just for me. Okay, yeah, fine. Click on next. Choose the folder, destination folder. Okay, you can change anything if you want. Click on install. Okay, before that you need to check either one. So I'll check the first one, and here the installation is in progress now. It may take some time. Maybe on your machine it can take up to 30 minutes, maybe 10 minutes or 20 minutes, depending on the speed of your machine. Right. Now click on next. Now click finish. Ignore these. Simply now let's see whether the Anaconda or the Spider got installed or not. Let's find out. Click on start and then click on Anaconda. Sometimes you will see Spider there, but if it is not there, just click on Anaconda and wait for some time. It may take some time because like I said, it depends on the speed of your machine. So I guess it is loading in the background, and I guess it is almost done. Yeah, you see that it's loading. I click on OK and I don't show again. Here you have lots of IDE, but I need you have Jupyter also, but I need what? Spider. So click on launch. And let's wait for some time. It's loading. And here you have the IDE. So simply now you can start to write your code. Now let me show you. So let's say I'm taking a variable of I've taken a variable x is equal to welcome, and I'm gonna print x. You see three things here. Right now you are writing a code. On the right hand side you will see console. Right, just click on run. You see here on the right hand side, the first console says str1, welcome. Str means string. So here you are able to see x is what? X is my variable and the type is string. And on the bottom right, it is showing the result. The outcome is welcome. So guys, this is very basic, and hope you were able to learn how to install Anaconda, how to install Spider. Right, thank you.